In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create groups in Freshdesk. This process is instrumental in efficiently managing your teams, facilitating ticket assignments, allowing for targeted automations, and providing better analytics. Let's dive into it step by step so you can harness the full potential of these group features in your Freshdesk dashboard. To begin, you'll want to ensure you're logged in as an administrator. This is essential because only administrators have the permissions needed to create and edit groups in Freshdesk. Once you're in, you'll be navigating to the admin section. Look for the gear icon, which is your gateway to all the back-end settings and team configurations. From there, head over to the Team tab and then click on Groups. This is where you'll be managing all your team group structures. Now that you're in the Group section, you'll need to create a new group, and there's a dedicated button for just that. It's conveniently labeled New Group. Click on it to set up a fresh group profile. It's worth noting that if your organization has Field Service Management, or FSM, enabled, you might notice an additional option asking if this group should be a service group. Choose this as applicable, depending on whether the group you're setting up will deal with field service tasks. After clicking on New Group, the next stage involves filling in the specific details about your group. Start by entering a clear and identifiable name for the group. For example, Billing Team. Here, clarity is key. You want the name to be immediately recognizable to any stakeholder who might be interacting with this group. Next, move on to the description. A concise description of the group's purpose helps provide context and understanding, not only for you, but also for anyone else managing or reviewing the group settings. Something brief yet informative works best here. If you're operating on a Pro plan or above, you have the additional option to select business hours for the group. This is particularly useful if your team adheres to multiple SLA policies, as it helps you align the group's working hours with those SLAs. Deciding on the business hours can be crucial in ensuring that your support is delivered efficiently and within the promised timelines. However, remember that this step is optional, so it's fine to skip it if it's not relevant to your current setup. After you've entered all necessary details, you'll click Create to finalize the group creation. But don't stop there. There's one more step. Once your group is set up, you'll need to decide which agents are part of this new group. Think about the team members whose skills and roles align with the group's objectives. Select the agents you wish to include and then click Add to Group to officially bring them on board. By closely following these steps, you'll find that setting up groups in Freshdesk can be straightforward and incredibly beneficial for streamlining your support operations. Be sure to revisit and adjust these settings as your organizational needs evolve. Thanks for watching, and happy group managing.